roller bag goes in the front, which is our front trunk, and then personal items can be fitted here for each person that's sitting. So Wisk was created to enable safe, everyday flight for everyone. What that means for us is to be able to reduce the friction of everyday travel around urban areas, and we believe that the urban air mobility, or advanced air mobility, is how we can achieve that. So this aircraft is fully electric and fully autonomous. That's a real difference for Wisk.
Being able to bring the pilot closer back to short fares from each other. It's a lot.
We are now on the cusp of this. There's really 5 to 6 players in the world, and this is becoming a reality. And that isn't just the technology has progressed and the businesses have evolved, but regulation is evolving at pace, infrastructure is evolving at pace. Everything is ready for this to be a transformative moment in aviation.
Back to, our strategy is vertical is an area focused on what is unique. Yeah. Flight control is common.
I see Asia as actually the biggest market in the world. The reason for that is the number of megacities in Asia is greater than anywhere else in the world, and these solve that urban transport solution. You can't build roads, there's not enough space. You can't build tunnels, too complex, too much time, too expensive. These open up the low altitude economy, transforming lives in Asia.